You are aware that the speaker, the former speaker of Kisii County was impeached. He rushed to court where he got, I'm told he got some orders. We have not seen those orders. And one, he sued the assembly where he is the speaker. So you can not sue an assembly and you are the speaker of that assembly. So the buck stops with him first to comply. He sued the service board. He's the chairman of the service board. So in terms of implementation of those orders, it's extremely very difficult. And that's why in our last meeting we agreed, we developed a consensus that let the deputy speaker, in the absence of the speaker, the deputy speaker is the one who presides over all assembly meetings until such a time these matters of this conflict is resolved, or rather until the court determines or makes a declaration of the matter. So the man is simply with a lot of impunity with the other forces, because we've never seen this, the police trying to interfere with the proceedings of assembly. The other day, he has been keeping the mess for the entire 3 weeks, that he didn't want to bring the mess to the assembly to enable us to transact. Now, yesterday, when some of us were in various committee meetings, he sneaked himself to the assembly just to show the world that he's back. But he's not back. You can see today, ordinarily in normal circumstances, this time the assembly could be going on. But you can see there's no assembly. What is happening is that we are being visited by the police officers all over the place. So we are asking whoever who's giving Kombo and his surrogates this power to be mindful of our constitution, to be mindful of our people of Kisii needs service, to be mindful that he can never transact. In a situation where you have 50 members against you, it is very difficult to transact. You cannot transact with a gun. Yeah? Yeah? You cannot. You can bring that gun. You can bring that gun to kill us, but at the end of the day, is that your popularity, your power has been taken away. Yeah? The people, we are the people who elected the Kombo. So if we are saying now enough is enough, he should seek other legal redress, like where he went to court. If we agreed as assemblers that let the deputy speaker, in fact procedurally after the resolution of the assembly that he was impeached, the person who took over is the deputy speaker.
Yes.
He must respect institutions. So all we are waiting for is the matters to be determined by the court, and then we will either proceed to elect a new speaker or we'll receive him back if the court finds that his removal was illegal or irregular. It's as simple as that. Yeah? But now using the police, using the police to wanting to force people to accept you, it may not happen. Even his godfather, let them know that this is an assembly, this police will never come into the assembly, it will not be possible for him to transact. We are advising him, if he's a really person with peace, he should stay off, allow the assembly to proceed transacting until such a time the court makes a determination. Yes. And then we shall allow him if it's in good favor of him. But for now, let the assembly proceeds be kept off the police, and this is not a police state. Kisii County Assembly is not a police training camp. It's not a police area. This is a place for legislation. Yeah? And we respect. And we are now calling the Inspector General Mutiambai. Don't allow your boys to be used. Mutiambai, we are appealing to you. We know you respect the laws of this country, but the way the police have been visiting Kisii County Assembly in hundreds, it is a telling story that somebody is using your boys in a bad way. And we will not allow this to continue. You have made Kisii a police state. We have here a number of police in civilian.
Who are even entering the county assembly chamber.
Flashing guns. Why are they flashing guns? We are being threatened.
Where we were elected
to come and serve our people.
It
is unacceptable, and we want to appeal to the entire populace of Kisii County. Remain cool, and that's why we are cool. We are not fighting anybody. We want peace, but we want peace in a legal way. You see, we don't want to pretend that there were no issues. There were issues why Kombo was impeached. So those issues, once they have not been settled, we cannot reverse irregularly. We can only reverse those issues through a legal procedure, and which he has gone to sort. Thank you.